We're really excited about this new connection with Speckle because it really takes your Giraffe project interoperability to the next level. If you're not familiar with Speckle, it's a software that basically connects almost any architecture, engineering, or construction software that you can think of. What we're going to do today is take this Giraffe project that you see on your screen. I'm going to send it to Speckle, and then from Speckle, I'm going to open it up into Rhino. So to get started with that, the first thing I need to do is hop over to my Speckle window here and just grab a token. So the token just tells Speckle that you're giving Giraffe permission to send data. So I'm going to title this just webinar for today. You need to pick which information you want that token to allow. So I'm going to pick streams, read, and write, and just save that. And then it generates this token for you. So you want to copy all of that information. You'll see here that you need to save that token elsewhere outside of your account if you want to use it again. For the purpose today, I'm just going to copy it. And then I'll jump back into my Giraffe project and just open up our Speckle app here. And all I have to do now is paste this token in here, give my information a name, and then I can add in some additional information like describing what I'm sending, describing what version I'm sending. Today, I'm not going to include that information. And then I'll just click Post to Speckle. And I'll see that my data was successfully sent. And now when I jump over to my Speckle window and go to my feed, in just a moment, we'll see that new data has pulled into Speckle for me. So here's the information that I just pushed. I called it webinar. And if I open it up here in Speckle, I can even preview it in my web browser just to make sure that everything looks good to go. There it is. There's my project. It looks great. So I'm just going to open up my Rhino window here, and I already have the Speckle connector installed in Rhino. You could install this connector in Revit, in QGIS, in SketchUp. So you can take your Giraffe data almost anywhere now with this new connection. So I can see the data that I want to bring in. I named it webinar, so I'll just click on that. And I want to receive the data. So I'll just click receive. And in a couple of seconds, I will have that entire Giraffe project in Rhino. So you can imagine that this is going to be extremely powerful for taking your early feasibility projects to all of your other apps later down the road. And I'm really excited to see what everyone builds with this new connection.